Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be talking about a major drencher that could bring severe weather such as hail, straight line winds, and tornadoes. Now, before I get into the video, please like and subscribe and comment down below if you liked the video. If you did not, you can unlike. I just want to know how you guys felt about the video. But yeah, let's go ahead and get in this. So first, we can see that a good bit, a good bit of, light rain spread out. This was around this morning, and if we move it out, we can see a drencher starts to pop up. We can see pockets of heavy rain and possible severe thunderstorms and isolated tornadoes with this rare drencher. We move it out and we can see a ton of rain right here. This is going to be a flooding event also because of how much rain. It is a drencher after all. And yeah, straight line winds, hail, and isolated tornadoes ahead of the drencher. Now, we move it out. Here's where the severe thunderstorms and isolated tornadoes really come in. We can see a line start to develop, and I'll show you why that is developing so well. And boom, a lot of rain in South Mississippi and Alabama and Louisiana, southeastern Louisiana. This will be carrying hail, severe thunderstorms, and isolated tornadoes, like I said. And yeah, that's really the end. And then maybe a little bit of severe weather in Florida. But here is why. So look at this little pocket of warmth in the Gulf. Well, these systems have tails that bring up moisture, and these moisture tails have the strong tornadoes. And that's why, because it has so much moisture and warmth to act with, and the Cape, which will cause these storms to rotate, and then boom, a mesocyclone, and boom, drops a tornado. Now, next slide, we can see National Hurricane Center's outlook. Always go with the National Hurricane Center. But I have a little surprise. My own outlook. Yes, I made my own outlook. Here's my outlook, but always go with National Weather Service. But we can see a pretty big, moderate area, enhanced, and slight area. A little slight area in Virginia and North Carolina, and a huge marginal area. Now, we can see mine is very similar, but not exactly the same. Huge, moderate, small, enhanced, and pretty small, slight, and a huge marginal. And kind of in the same place because, National Hurricane Center does, Storm Prediction Center does really good on this stuff. But I didn't copy them. As you can see, they're very different. But yeah, we are looking at the HRRR 1 kilometer reflectivity, and we can see a few hours ago, not too bad, a little bit of rain, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Florida Panhandle, we're getting this rain. There's a little bit pocket of rain that starts to fade away, but we can see the tails start to form right here. And this is the start of the drencher. It's really going to be starting in Oklahoma and Arkansas. And boom, low pressure system forms, a line of storm forms. There's a line of storms ahead and a line of storms behind, and a little bit of pocket very south Arkansas and very north Louisiana. And then that little pocket becomes this line of thunderstorms, and then this big line. And these storms right here will be causing tornadoes. These severe thunderstorms, these tornadoes, and these tornadoes, severe thunderstorms, and hail. But tornadoes is going to be a little bit less likely here. A 10% chance of tornadoes, which isn't the highest, but isn't the lowest. So we could be seeing isolated tornadoes, mainly a hail and severe thunderstorm straight line wind event because it's a drencher. And we can see the drench will start to form, 2 lines of severe storms. The front one's really going to be the main severe one. The behind one's going to be the main straight line winds and rain. And we can see, boom, that's it. I mean, that's all it went out to. Here's their NAM 3-kilometer model, which we have here. We can see it start to develop a tiny line here, starting to develop, and on the panhandle and a little bit of Georgia, we can see some rain a few hours ago, and a tiny strip again, and then this one is forming, and that one is forming. Low pressures over Texas, and that will move over to match up with the precipitation. Now we can see that line start to form again. You can see the line here, and line here. Now, boom, starts to develop beautifully. So it goes away, and then boom, starts to develop. So we can see scattered thunderstorms. These will have tornadoes, severe thunderstorms, and straight line winds. And the one in front and the one behind, you can see that start to come together. 2 ones, and then the main line which will have a lot of rain. And yeah, that's really it. I hope you like and subscribe. That helps me a lot. I hope you like and subscribe if you haven't already, but please do. And comment down below if you think the video is great. Yes, but yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.